guys, happy Monday. Hope you had an amazing weekend. Today it's a very weird day, so I don't know how I'm going to deal with the lightning because there's some moments that it's super cloud and it's raining, but then the sun appears. So I have, this problem, guys, these things that people that make vlogs have, the lightning thing. But well, I have been waiting until now to talk to you because it was very dark at my house. So I have been this morning working on my website. I have been making some changes on the commission tab because I want to reopen my commissions again. But I just realized that I needed to make some changes and explain more about the process and things. So I have been doing that, and also I have been thinking on a way to add some extra just in case, because I know not all of you want the commission just to be sent out via email, but I think it is also a good choice if you can choose to have your print and your commission print and frame. So what I have to do now is I have to search or to look how much it's going to cost print and frame the commissions, and also I want to add an extra, not only for the commissions but for the whole website, for when I have everything ready, is that with each order that you made, guys, I want to send you, or I want to plan a tree, so you can follow your tree, you can see where it's planned and these things. The other day I made an order and I received like an option, not the option, I mean the tree is already planned, but you have like the code of your tree and you can go and check out. So I think it's very interesting, and also right now how things are going with the environment and climate change. I think it's a nice option because I want my shop to be eco-friendly. I don't know, guys, is this a word that I can say? I don't know, but I want to work with organic fabrics, and I think that making this thing with the tree, it matches a lot with that. So yeah, this is a part of the work I have to do today. But well, stop talking. I'm going to make me a cup of tea right now and I'm going to start working again. So so hope you're going to keep me company. You can see it's jumping everywhere every time. So yeah, that's all. Well, before starting to work again, I want to show you guys how Ghost Day 2 is looking. I don't know, guys, I really hate this drawing. I have to be honest. I mean, if I look at this one, it was the first one that I'm very proud of it. The second one is not, the one that I really like. I think the color combination is not the best one. Probably I need to, I really need to have like a darkened background or something, because it's looking very boring and pretty similar. Even I like the color palette because these colors are the ones that I really like. I don't know, I don't like the final result. Hopefully Vampire is going to look better. Okay guys, so I just finished with the feedbacks for patrons. You see, this morning has been raining all day and now it is super sunny. Well, I have to do that because otherwise you can see it you can see only a very bright and white things, but this is not a set, okay? So yeah, I'm exporting the feedbacks and I'm going to share it with my patrons right now. So that's all for this Monday. I feel I'm tired right now, but I will continue working until at least 8 p.m. Because I want to do, the sketch for Trickitober. I already said that. I'm repeating myself because I am an old lady, but I want to do that. And also, yeah, it's like a very important thing to do because I don't want to, post late the prom. I think I should, I mean, as I am hosting this week, I think I should be responsible and post it on Friday, which is the day that it has to be posted. And by the way, today I have to post the week number 2. So yeah, I'm going to do that because I'm going to forget if I don't do it right now. See you tomorrow, guys. It's almost 1 p.m. and I'm super hungry. I think I'm going to have lunch, an early lunch. Normally I don't do this thing, but yeah, today I especially need to have some food. And also I don't want to get, you know, some snacks or these kind of things. So I prefer to have an early lunch than eat snacks and then lunch. So this morning I had been working on administration tasks, so that's why I didn't film anything, because it's very boring to do that, you know. It's very boring to do that and also very boring to see that. But I wanted to make you guys an update of my plans. Last week I reported some of them, so 1 week later, guys, things has changed a lot. So let's have lunch and show you the plans. One of the things I have been doing also this morning is choosing the references for the sketch sessions. By the way, I have been adding some of them to the sketch sessions board on Pinterest that people from Patreon have access, so they can have or go there to see you know, references to work with, the ones that I choose. And also what I need to do right now is export the blog, last week blog for you. I'm going to share today the link with my patrons. So let's go and see the plans. So the first plan I report, well, no, it was the last plan, but well, you know, one of the plans I reported last week is the Monstera. And look at it, guys. A new leaf, it's going up. Well, you can see it here. You can see these leaves growing. Monstera is doing well. Also, we have some kind of issue with less watering, so I put some remedies there. And let's take a look to the other plants. The ficus is the same, nothing new here, but we have a very bad issue with the pothos. Pothos is already dead. So I just cut today everything from here, you know, remember I just put this big pot, so I just cut everything and see if I can make, you know, the plants get a little bit better. I don't know what's going to happen, but it was dying. So the only solution I found is to cut, you know, the sprouts and the leaves that they are better, and see if somehow I can manage to reborn them. I don't know the word, but you know, guys. So yeah, this is the update with the pothos. Pothos is about to leave us soon, I guess. Like the finger. Well, it could be better, of course. So I just finished with the sketch session. This is a little bit of what I did. And yeah, I have here, by the way, you can see me here. I need to export right now everything, well, not export, edit what I did and just cut some things and add the timer, because by the way, guys, we are using a timer, and what I want to do is grab this part here, so put it on the screen so people can follow the time. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and I think this is going to be all for today. See you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, guys. It's 9:30 in the morning and it's super dark outside. Today is very cloudy and I had to put my light box. So you can see that I have all the background with light, because otherwise this is what it's looking. So it's super dark. For today I have a lot of stuff to do. My main task today is edit a couple of videos, you know, the Draw With Me video for patrons, also the sketch session that I already have almost edited, but I have to review just in case I need to cut some parts. And these are the things for the edition part of my work. Also, I want to work a little bit on my website, and I have a very huge list, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do everything. I don't want to put pressure to myself, so I will catch up with you guys with how the things are going and running, and see how much we can accomplish on this Thursday. I mean, this week I started very inspired with, you know, feeling very productive. Then I had a couple of days, you know, Tuesday and Wednesday, a little bit less productive, let's say it that way, because I had to do other stuff not related with art or YouTube. So I had meetings for the secret project, I had to do things on my home. So when I, you know guys, when I don't focus on my work, or I have to pay attention to other stuff, it's like my motivation and inspiration is drained. So hope today I can refill my inspiration and these things. Let's see guys what we can face today. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. I have finished with the cutting and editing of the Draw With Me video. The only thing I have to do after lunch is the voiceover. You see it's still super dark. I just turned off the light box. And yeah, I spent like 2 hours doing that because I had to make some graphics for it. Also, I have been sending some emails. And yeah, so let's have lunch and continue with the voiceover. I just upload the sketch session to Patreon, the first from this month, and also I have been putting some order on the pinned post. This is like a post that is on the top of everything, so you can. I use it as a guide, for example, for download brushes, finding materials, you know, all the workshops, all the tutorials. And also I made a new section for the Draw With Me videos and the sketch sessions and reference, so you click there and then appear all of them. And what I'm going to do now is make this sketch nicer. I think I'm going to make it in the big tablet, so yeah, I'm going to do that. Hi guys, happy Friday. Today is a very weird day. I am feeling so nervous because I'm trying to work on something and it's not showing up the way I want. So these things makes me feel like I have to close everything and just do another thing, but I can't because I need to post something for today's prompt for Trickitober, because I'm hosting today the challenge and I don't have anything to post right now, so I'm feeling the pressure. The thing is that the post I already had, the one I sketched the other day, I'm hitting it a lot right now. So what I'm doing is I'm thinking, or I'm just drawing some faces and see what happened, because it somehow it's a vampire, rock vampire. So yeah, I don't know, I think I need to change the pose and I need to do something different. I'm going to show you what I have. If you remember, this is the sketch I had previously done, and this morning I have been doing like, you know, this part of the sketch, like this version, but I don't know guys, I think it's not working the way I like it. So I'm going to change it, you know, the pose, and I need to check some references because I don't know guys, I don't like how it's looking. Probably I would change the design for sure. And later I have been working some faces, and this is where I came up. I don't know guys, also again I'm not very sure about this. These are thinkings. So I'm going to search some references on Pinterest and let's see how I ended up with.
How many right turns to reach some kind of goal? How many dressing up for me to play some ball? Seasons change, the same range. Where will it take? Tell me why the wait. Up and down, I'm moving around. Pretend or tell me what to believe.
So it's now 2:30 p.m. This is what I got so far. I spent a lot of time, guys, figuring out how to do that. But finally I found something that I really like, the pose, also the colors that I choose. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able, you know, to do that on traditional, but well, let me enjoy a little bit with drawing on digital right now. I changed the color of this girl because I wanted to do it with these oranges and reds, but I think that with the yellows and, you know, blacks, the purple will work so well. So, well, by now, let's enjoy painting this girl and see how it ended up. Hi guys, editing Chris here again. I just forgot, guys, to say goodbye on the video, on the blog. So yeah, I'm here to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please, if you like the content, please like and subscribe so I can continue making videos. And also my lifestyle and working from home and freelance life, it can be spread over the world. I mean, it's no need to be spread because it's not that special, but I don't know, guys, probably if you are working from home, you can relate with my day-to-day. Also, I want to thank my patrons because they left me the opportunity to make these videos and also work on some of my personal projects. And of course, they are awesome and I really love to chat with them and share with them some things that you can see here. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video and see us again on the next one. Bye bye.